Hey guys, how's it going? Mike here. Today's tutorial is very important. Alright, if you want to be an online marketer, one of the most important things that you have to learn is tracking, because your entire bottom line or your entire business will very well depend on how well you track and optimize either your landing pages or your traffic sources. So today I'm going to show you how to use one of the most popular, if not the most popular, tracking platform, which is called Google Analytics. Some of you may already be familiar with this, but if you're not, I'm just assuming that whoever's watching these videos or this channel are newbies and they're interested in making money online through their own website or their own blog. And speaking of website, I did make a video recently on how to create a WordPress website, so you can check that out. The basics, first I'm going to show you how to sign up for a Google Analytics account, and then how to use the tracking code and put it on your website. And before I do start, I do want to talk about a few of the features you get with Analytics. First, it's free to use. You're not paying anything. You can track your traffic sources, which is very important. You can track how well that traffic source is performing on your website, and also you can track how much you're making with each traffic source. So there's a really cool feature in Analytics where you can create goals and conversions. So based on the landing page that you put that the code for your conversion in the Analytics platform, it will tell you every time a user or a traffic source converts into whatever you want them to convert to. It could be dollar, a monetary value, it could be a sign up or email, whatever have you. So there's a lot of really awesome features in this tool, and like I said, it's free. All right, so let me show you right now how to sign up for one and how you can get started using it. Okay, so the first thing you do here is you go to google.com/analytics. Okay, or you can just Google search Google Analytics and the page should come up, and from here it can take you to this page, marketingplatform.google.com. Just you can click sign up to Google Marketing Platform right here, and you see the first thing here says Analytics, and you just click on setup, and here you can sign up. If you have a Google account already, this should be fairly easy. So you sign up for your Google account or your Analytics account, and the great thing with Analytics is that you can create multiple different tracking codes for different websites. So for this account, I can name it just income driver or something. And your website, put your website.com. Okay, for me, I'm gonna put the incomedriver.com here, and actually better to just name it the income driver so it's more visible. And then here's where you put the actual domain name, the website itself. So the incomedriver.com. You put your own website here, whatever website you want to start tracking your traffic. And here you can choose a category for your site. Income driver is mainly about finance and business, so I can choose either one. And then here you can choose your time zone. I'm under Eastern time, so I will be using Eastern here. And all of this is already pre-selected. You can leave that. And that is it. Just click get tracking, and Google will give you, you gotta accept all the terms of service. Just click accept, user agreement, accept, and boom, that is it. Once you get to this page, you get your tracking code, and so what you do is you copy this code here and you put it on your website. And I'll show you. So for example, if I go, this is assuming that you're using WordPress as your website. If you're using another platform or another script to build your website, it's basically the same procedure, but the sample I'm going to show you right now is through WordPress, because that's what I use. Once I'm in the admin, this is where you want to go. For the most part, this is fairly similar way to put in your code for your WordPress. and usually you have this option here that says footer, and at the footer here you can just copy and paste the Google Analytics code. Or another way you can put the code in is you can always download a plugin. There's a ton of plugins out there for WordPress. You can just put header code plugin or search for footer code plugin, and you easily find a ton out there. Just download a free one, and through that you can always input your analytics code. Now if we go back to the screen here, so once you've put in your code, okay, this is how you track your traffic. You can go to home. When you get to home, the first thing you see is that you have some real-time stats, okay? So for example, if 20 people right now were on theincomedriver.com, or based on the code you put in, that number will show here. But here's the most important links or menu bars that you use. Go to acquisition, go to all traffic, and go to source and medium. And through here you can see everyone or whichever source that's sending you traffic. Okay, so that is the basics of how to use and install Google Analytics. Now in future videos I'm going to make some more tutorials on how to dig deeper, how to track traffic sources based on where you're buying, and how to optimize your ad campaigns based on what you're reading off of your Google Analytics. Okay, so that is it for today. If you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up. If you learned something, please do share this video. Again, my name is Mike, and be sure to subscribe, and I have my mailing list in the description. Make sure you sign up for the mailing list, and that way you get future tutorials before I even upload them on YouTube. Okay, hope you learned something, and I'll catch you on the next video.